NEIRO is going parabolic right now. Now you're probably wondering, is this the bigger NEIRO first on Ethereum or the smaller NEIRO? Well, actually in this video we're looking at the bigger version of NEIRO, and this is because I really think it's got some serious conviction right now and is setting up a massive play to potentially break through the $1 billion market capital barrier. So that is why I want to talk about NEIRO today, because it's just hit $900 million on the market capital. We've been looking at it on this channel a good few times over the week, and if you were watching my videos you would have got in earlier, so make sure you do hit that notification bell. And yeah, let's just explore this token together. So volume wise, up 30%, looking fantastic. Very similar tokenomics, or at least the number, to Pepe. And of course I think this coin can make its way up this meme coin ladder. So do I think it's going to get to 1.5 or 2 or even 2.5 billion? Well, we'll talk about that. But overall, just looking at NEIRO and its position here in the meme coin space, you can see it's rank 2, 4, 6, 8. It's rank 9. It's climbing quickly. You can see on the 24 hours it's up 22%. On the 7 days this coin is up 119%. So versus the larger market caps, look at Dogecoin, look at Shiba, look at Pepe. They are sleeping at the moment. Their market caps are already quite large, so it's going to be difficult for those to actually make those 2x's, especially for coins like Dogecoin, which in my opinion just aren't that lucrative anymore. So looking at first NEIRO and Ethereum, this is really parabolic. It's just broken $900 million of market capital, and it is going absolutely wild as we speak on this video. Just quickly looking at what's been happening over the last few days. We are on the 4-hour time frame. We'll quickly move to the daily over here. So firstly, massive support at 0.00073. Really, a large amount of support there in my honest opinion. And this really started pumping around mid-September. Absolutely parabolic from these lows that we had of 0.00004. Now this is of course where the coin was trading in these lows, and since then has actually striked a whopping 50x on the charts, which is humongous. Really just exponential. So we are witnessing actually a 30x at the moment for this particular token, and that's something to celebrate for people that are holding the coin, of course. So it's removed 2 zeros. It's already scratched off 2 zeros. So that's also something you've got to factor in, that if you are buying the coin, you're also competing against people that bought in really low down here, and as you're buying, they're going to be slowly selling. And trust me, they're selling when you think they're not selling. And I reckon that if you delved in deep enough, people would be selling, at least people that got in early at this current stage. So do understand that that is also a play, a risk of, a play of risk right there, that as the FOMO is being pushed, as the parabola is going on, there's probably also people exiting out at the same time. Just because it's going up doesn't mean people, of course, are not selling. Now, lots of support over at the 0.007 region. Now, what happened is we had a giant falling wedge pattern, and recently, just literally on the 6th of October, only 6 days ago, another humongous breakout. So we are seeing these sort of flags after flags, these bull flag positions. We had a bull flag recently, and now we're seeing another potential setup on our second consecutive green candle here for NEIRO. So definitely looking bullish, and you can see actually it is holding seriously nicely. We do have a very big lump of support again right here at 0.002, and that buyback wick does reflect a huge appetite for this token right now. And I think at the moment we are just seeing the crypto market warm up. We've got a neutral market. Meme coins are their own narrative as usual, and they are pumping so much. In fact, Bitcoin just looks boring when you look at the meme coin sector, and you can see meme coins at the moment. The high of this year was $70 billion by a sector on market capital, and that was earlier this year around sort of April 2024, and we're actually starting to see a bit of a recoil to the upside. Maybe we're going to see meme coins get back into $60 billion territory, or maybe even $70 billion territory. It's something that you've got to consider. So this coin, yeah, looking absolutely smashing. If we do see continuation here for NEIRO, we could indeed get another breakout of this particular chart pattern, which in my opinion will take this up to about 1618 Fibonacci, the 0.0022. And then furthermore, we could even see another pump, about 12% to 2618 Fibonacci at 0.0024. Now, I think this is an exciting play. It's definitely a good looking coin with a lot of upside potential still. But remember, as each day goes by, the liquidity gets higher. It's harder to move the price up. But, I don't think it's over yet. I think realistically looking at a 1 to 2 billion market capital. Don't know where, but I really would like to see it tap in to that 1 billion MC. It's already a rank 9 meme coin now, and it is looking ever so strong. Looking at the other sort of bits of data here on the coin, we can see NEIRO has $13.4 million of liquidity, 17k holders. Total market cap is 900 million, which is really, really good. And they have a very nice DEX tool score of 99 over 99. Market accessibility for this token, I can always speculate that they might launch from Coinbase, but we can't see that right now. But of course, we can see Binance, HTX, Gate, KuCoin, MEXC, and some of the larger tier 1s and tier 2s. So yeah, Binance, of course, is always a great thing to see on the meme coin space. If you want to grab some of the NEIRO coin, you can, of course, use my MEXC link down below, or use KSEX if you're in America, UK, or Canada and want to remain fully anonymous. The exchange links are down below should you wish to grab some of the coin. This is the coin right here, by the way. So it's NEIRO, the hair of the Doge, adopted by the same loving hands that cared for Doge. NEIRO is the first to deploy on Ethereum, led by the community and inspired by legacy. So yeah, absolutely crazy to see how this coin is moving right now, folks. Keep your eyes on it. It could go wild. It could still potentially do a 2 to 3x from where we currently are. Not financial advice, of course. It's very risky, and it is going up more and more and more. I think, for me, getting in last week would have been great, but if I was stacking up now, I'd be hesitant to be as sort of ape in and really going like balls deep into a project like this right now. So yeah, great to see that overall the narrative of memes is doing very, very good. So we also have the other NEIRO, which is just literally NEIRO Ethereum. So this is a smaller one. Now maybe you could sort of think, well, hang on, the other NEIRO is at 900 million, this one's at 120 million. Has this got more upside potential because it's a lower market cap coin? We can see circulating supply, all good, it's 100%, so there's not going to be sort of token dilution there. But looking over at the price structure of this one, it's not in all-time high territory. It's not in price discovery either by market capital or price. So to me, it's more of like a dead cat bounce trying to achieve something it did already. Whereas the other NEIRO right here is way more exciting. It's in euphoria and price discovery. And so therefore, I think it's just got way more upside potential. Another cool play in the markets right now worth taking a look at is called Pepe Unchained. They just recently hit $19 million raised. You can see Pepe now has its own blockchain. 115% per annum on the staking rewards too. So effectively, this is an extension of the Pepe coin ecosystem, not officially by the same team, but it's a Pepe coin alternative. And Pepe tokens, in my opinion, do pretty well. This is a layer 2. It's going to have its own dedicated block explorer. It's got its own product, its own DEX, its own liquidity pools, its own Pepe scan. It's going to have its own wrap Pepe token and things like that. So yeah, really cool ecosystem. Worth doing a little bit of research. I will link you guys down below should you wish to buy some of this token. Of course, never risk, more than you can afford to lose, and make sure you do some research and have a look through the white paper yourselves. If you are keen to buy it, you just simply connect your MetaMask wallet or Web3 wallet and convert either Ethereum or Tether directly into Pepe tokens. One Pepe is $0.00997. The price does go up every single time they advance in a pre-sale stage. You can see the next stage will be at $19.27 million. So yeah, definitely happening quick. Followers are growing rapidly, 47.8k followers now, really starting to grow. And here was their recent sneak peek of the product. We've got the bridge, like I say, you've got the scanning, you've got the DEX side as well for Pepe. And yeah, it's really looking good. And also advanced analytics as well, and some cool market insights. So definitely a cool product with the ecosystem. You can see here is the list. L2, Block Explorer, DEX, Bridge, Advanced Analytics, and also Builder Grant. So check out Pepe Unchained down below, and there we can see also the staking dashboard, which provides 608.82 tokens per Ethereum block as a reward. Certainly worth checking out. I'll leave that link down below to you guys. It will soon be launching on centralized exchange, hopefully, but also, of course, definitely going to launch on DEX at some point soon. You can see this coin has 8 billion tokens, and they're selling in their pre-sale 40% of those total tokens. The rest of the tokenomics break down 30% to staking, 10% to marketing, liquidity gets 7.5%, and then project development as well. But yeah, overall, really quite excited to see what's going to happen in this market. If you want to talk about NEIRO, pre-sales, just crypto in general, make sure you do check out Jacob's Crypto Clan right down below. I'm Jacob, by the way, and Jacob's Crypto Clan is the Discord where over 28,000 traders in crypto are just all hanging out, talking about crypto and just finding signals that provide them gains, as you can see, like the one on screen right here. So make sure you do join my Discord, totally free. But if you do want the the side where effectively you can see like VIP calls, get signals, alpha calls, lessons, education, and more, you can also join my Patreon group down below where you unlock all those VIP benefits within the Discord channel. So that will really, really help me, it'll help you, and overall the community will just get bigger and brighter. Thanks again for watching this video. NEIRO looking pretty good, like a solid choice here in the crypto space. Of course, it's going to get volatile at some point, so try to resist sort of aping in. Maybe look for some sort of realistic pullback, if that is even possible, to see one right now within this sort of rally that we're getting. I think what goes up must eventually come down. And yeah, if you're buying the coin, make sure to use either MEXC or KSEX, and using my link will give you more bonuses on your purchases right there. So yeah, I hope you save money over time. The smallest fees in the market on both spot and maker. And of course, check out this wild ICO that could hopefully return 2 to 10x at some point if the markets and the conditions are right, and the launch is just absolutely fantastic. Really hoping it could be a good one. See you soon, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, like the video, and comment down below which NEIRO do you prefer. Do you prefer this one here, or do you prefer the other one over here, the smaller market cap alternative? See you soon, guys. Peace.